Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use Zelle to transfer money between banks. So, in order to do this, simply log into Zelle mobile banking application, then tap Pay and Transfer to get started. After you click on that option, you'll have to tap Zelle. Then you'll have to tap Pay to send money, and you can also request money to get paid back easily or divide expenses. Note that if you're not already enrolled in Zelle, you will see a screen for setup. Tap Set up Zelle and follow the prompts to get set up. Now, if you're sending to a new contact, tap Add New Person or Company. Now, after you do this, select who you are adding and tap Next. Now, select how you'll add their information and tap Next. Now, enter the details for your new contact, and you can also tap Add from Contacts to select from the existing contacts in your phone. Review the details for your contact to ensure accuracy, tap Edit to modify or add recipient. Then read the information regarding Zelle payments and tap OK to authorize the new contract. After you do this, your recipient will be added, and to pay this or another contact, type the name in the search bar and tap on the contact you want to pay. After you do this, choose the account you want to send money from and enter the amount and tap Next. Now, if you want to make up the payment recurring, tap the toggle. For this demo, we'll schedule a one-time payment. Then tap Next. After you do this, choose a payment date to schedule your one-time payment and select today's date. If you want to make an immediate payment, then tap Next. Now, note that if you select recurring payments, you'll see screens to select how often, how long, and choose a start date. Now, you can add an optional message for the recipient and tap Next. Review the details for the payment to ensure accuracy, tap Edit if needed, and tap Next to proceed. For payments to new contacts, you will see an authorization screen. Read the information and click OK to authorize the payment. After you do this, you can be sure to scroll down the screen to read important information about your scheduled payment. Tap the circle to agree to and acknowledge the terms and tap Schedule. And your payment is scheduled. Tap Done to see the details on the activity screen, and you would have successfully used Zelle to transfer money between banks. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.